TPI is a very large organization that sprang out of this location here in Rhode Island to now more than 6,500 employees in 9 installations around the globe.
Before IYRS, I was actually in the military and civilian world, both doing eye technician work in the medical field. It was basically like a desk job, no hands-on, work like this. And then I enrolled in IYRS after I found out that the program is more of a hands-on approach, and I was more attracted to that kind of work.
What TPI looks for when we hire new people and new personnel to fuel our workforce is initiative, drive, an interest in what we do and a passion for how we do it.
So the project behind me is one of its own. It's an electric bus. It's one of its own kind. We also work on amusement park rides. We're actually making a car for a specific ride. And then obviously wind turbine blades, the large ones that you see in large industrial wind turbines, and also small ones for small companies too. When I was in IYRS, I knew that I wanted to get into the wind turbine field. I researched many different schools and many different careers and found out that wind turbine technician is what I wanted to get into. So during IYRS, I started looking at jobs that had to do with wind turbine companies, and I was recommended to check out TPI in Warren.
I would give advice to people who interview at organizations like TPI to find out as much as you can about that organization, what it is that drives the objectives of that organization, and bring with you your own self-interest and your own ideas of what you can do to contribute to the value of that company and make yourself an indispensable part of the daily routine of that organization.
The interview process, I would recommend to get to know the person that you're interviewing with beforehand. Contact them via email. Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Students like Shelby that became part of our externship and we hired and trained is an exemplary example of the type of individual we look for. Highly motivated, highly skilled, highly interested and passionate about the work that we do and the types of products we produce.